This is the good one. I'm going to use line, go and connect here, and I'm going to give a just electric shock here. When I remove it stop, when I touch it's spinning, when I remove Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I'm going to show you how to find out good starter motor and bad starter motor. This is the bad one, this is the good one. I'm going to use my battery to give the supply. First connect positive to positive. Don't going to touch positive and negative. Positive line, go and connect here. Then after that, negative line to negative post, and this one going to the body, right? Then what you have to do, imagine you are going to ignition on. Once you ignition on, another power come into the this small terminal, and this one going to start. Then imagine this one your ignition barrel, and give another positive line from here connected to here. This is a positive line. Then I'm going to give a just electric shock here. Once I give the electric shock, this one need to spin. Once I remove here, it's need to be stopped. Have a look what happened there. I'm going to give the electric shock here. Now I remove this one, even starter motor working. That's why this starter motor has a faulty. Once I remove this line, this one need to be stopped. It's not stopped. Basically this starter motor faulty. Now you see, once I disconnect negative line, it will stop. Then I'm going to show you how to find good starter motor. Negative to the body, positive to here. Then after that, this connector inside here, right? This connector going to inside here. I'm going to disconnect from here and give supply inside. You can see I connected already inside. What I'm going to do, I'm going to touch here. When I touch, when I remove it stop. When I touch it's spinning, when I remove it stop. This is good starter motor. Now you know how to find your starter motor, good or bad. Please subscribe and follow my channel. You can get a lot of useful video and tips like this. See you with the next video.